Hello student, welcome to my class of data file handling in Python. This is fifth part of the data file handling in which we learn following thing. The content are as follow. The first one thing, we will understand what is binary file. Then after that, basic operation on binary file like read, write, okay. And then opening and closing binary file. In this topic, we will understand how to open and close the binary file. Reading and writing binary file. These two operations I will cover in this particular video. And then at last a practice session and the question for homework. So let's begin. So first of all, we have to understand what is binary file. Student, actually I have teach you what is binary file. So binary file are file that do not made up of readable character, okay, like ABC whatever. So it store binary digits, okay. So why it is meant for? Binary file can be range from images like JPEG, GIF, audio file like MP3 or binary documents, okay. So binary file actually used for to you I mean say mostly used by software application and programming things, okay. By that they can analyze the data well as compared to the text file, okay. And actually it is also useful for Python because of we can store image file, audio file, MP3 file, etc. okay. So Python file actually open by default in text mode, so we need to add the binary mode. So let's see how we will add it. So before that we have to understand what are the different operation of binary file. So binary file operation are as follow. The first one thing, we can read the file, write the file and update the file, delete and rename the file. As in text file we have done delete and rename, same thing we'll do here. Now we will understand how to open and close a binary file. So to open a file in a binary mode, we need to specify a binary mode, that is letter B within single quote. So let's say it's in syntax which is file object equals to open method, then within method you will write file name along with extension, okay, and then comma, read write mode whatever you want, read write append mode, and then binary mode. So we can see the example here, file equals to open, file name myfile.dat. So student, here you can see that extension dat. So extension can be exe, dat, bin, okay, doc, etc. Anything can be possible, but the mandatory information is that here should be binary mode, okay. So let's do it again. So file equals to open, within parentheses file name along with extension which support the binary mode, then comma, W here write mode, B in the sense along with binary mode, okay. Same here, file open, within parentheses myfile.dat, then RB. In this syntax we are trying to read the binary file, okay, B in the sense binary mode. In this we are opening a file in append mode, okay, upon mode of binary files. And now closing a file, it is quite easy, like text file, file object dot close function, for example file dot close round bracket open close. So we need to understand how to write a binary file. So first of all, we need to go through the binary file reading and writing purpose. We need to understand what is byte array. Actually byte array is a array, okay, like list with index positions, okay, every character stored in a index position. Same thing we can consider array is the collection of, I am say string is collection of array. So here is byte array is the collection of bytes, okay, byte means 0, 1 symbols whatever. And you could use a byte array to store the collection of binary data. Yes, we can use that byte array to store the write data, collection of data, okay, for example the content and file. So we are considering the example of file. So why we are learning here byte array? Because file handling in binary mode do not allow us to write the data directly, okay. So it allows us the information should be transferred to the file in a array format, which is byte array format, okay. So now we can see how to write a binary file. We cannot write directly the binary file with the help of write method, okay student. We can't write a particular content directly to the file with the help of write method. So what to do? So there are two conditions applicable. if suppose that my data whatever I am going to store in a file, if it is string like normal message whatever, it should be encoded first in UTF-8 format. Okay, otherwise we need to just convert, I'm to say typecast into byte array, and then you can use write method. So you can see the syntax. So how convert data to byte array and encode in UTF-8 format. So this first one example, I'm to say syntax for a string. So suppose that here is data variable like data whatever we are going to transfer, it is stored equals to byte array. Within this particular parenthesis we are going to pass any message within single quote, double quote, and then after that, after round bracket close of this particular string, we have to use dot encode method. Encode method contain another single quote open and UTF-8 single quote close, round bracket close. So it will convert in encoding in UTF format, and whatever the content is encoded in UTF format, then after that it will be converted in byte array, and finally this data will be stored into the data variable. And now in case of normal contents like list, tuple, integer, whatever, okay, so here we do not need to encode into UTF-8 format. It will automatically convert it to the, I mean say byte array, and then after that we are going to store in a data variable. So we are understanding how to write a binary file with the help of following example. Here you can see file as a file object equals to open. Here within single quote I have written my file.dat, okay, then comma and WB mode, that means write binary file mode, okay, and then data. So here I am going to convert a string, I am just store in a string, okay, so data equals to byte array. Within round bracket I have passed a string that is hello user, and then after that dot encode UTF-8, and then this will transfer to the data variable, okay, and finally I will write this data to the write method. So file dot write within round bracket I am say write method, I will pass this data and then file will close, okay. This was example of string while I am transferring the data as a string to the binary file. Now we can consider a list except a string. So same thing will be happen here, but the few thing will be skipped. So f equals to open, file name like bin file, and WB mode, that is write binary mode, and here is list num equals to 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 separated by comma, and then after that I have used data, that is data as a array, okay, equals to byte array num. So I have convert this variable which is list in byte array, and then I have write it directly and close it. So let's do it practically. It is really easy. So student, so we have to start Python ideally, and then I will create a file, a program for binary file, okay. Inside that I am going to create a file equals to open, and a file, suppose that binary.dat, okay, so it will be capital D, binary1.dat, we can say that, okay. Then WB mode, that is write binary file. Here is data equals to simple, we are going to create in byte array, so byte array. Inside that I will create a string within single quote hello user, and then encode in UTF-8, and then after that file dot write. Inside that I will pass the data and file will be close. So run it. So now I'm going to save it. So now my file has been written, and now I'm going to read, I am say transfer the another data. For example, I'm writing the different data, okay. So what data? Suppose that my list is 1 2 3 4 5 whatever, okay, and then after that I will write this content to the this one thing data to equals to byte array. What I will type it, my list, okay, and then I will write file dot close, file dot write. Inside that I will write data2, okay. So run it. So data has been written here. So we can see in relative path of Python 2.7 and this is 7. So my file name, as I remember, my file name is binary1.dat. So we will search here binary1.dat. If I'll open it, it will not directly open. I have to select a particular editor, okay. For temporary purpose, select notepad and okay. So now you can see hello user has come, but I think list has come in a symbol format, okay. So we can't read it directly. So actually binary file are not readable by the text editor also. It is usable by the applications. So we will read it in next topic, I mean to say next particular example. So how to read it. So till then we go through how to read the data by slides. So now reading a binary file. So how student we can read the file? To read the file we need to use a read method, okay, and after that cast it to desirable data type using the data type and round bracket open and close and function, okay. So what we have to understand, what is that data type casting? Actually data type casting is a mean to convert data type from one data type to another data type without losing its original meaning, okay, understand. So why it is required? You can see the requirement of typecasting we have experienced now. Sometime we need data type in different format to make it usable, okay. So at that time we have to typecast it, okay. So example of this particular typecasting is, here is data whatever will store string 1. So you can see there, here is one is integer format, number format. It will be typecast in a string format and finally it will turn in string method, okay, which is single quote 1 and single quote close. Next one thing, we are typecasting the string 2 into the number. So how it is possible? Data equals to int, that is type target data type, and this is literal or variable we possible, okay, and then it will turn a 2. So what is the syntax for that? And target data type here, for example, in which we are going to convert it, and then after that within round bracket whatever the literal or variable should be, and then after that round bracket close. So now come to the reading part of the file binary handling, okay. In this particular example, I am to say syntax. First of all, I want to say we will understand how to read the file. I am to say add typecasting method. So file object, open, file name, read mode, okay, and binary mode separated by a comma. An example, file open myfile.dat, comma rb, and data equals to string. You can see that we have typecast whatever the content comes from the file, okay, along with read method, and data will be stored in data file, I am to say data variable, and then we have printed into the print method and then close it. So now we can come to the again our work back again, open Python, okay, and then after that I will open a new file, a program for read and write binary file, okay. So we are going to create a file along with open method. Suppose that file name is my b file, okay, .dat as an extension, then write binary method, okay. Then after that we are going to write binary file. So data equals to byte array. Within that I will create a syntax hello user, okay. Then after that encode it in a UTF-8 method, I am to say 8 format, and then file dot write data, and then file dot close. and this is my binary program. Okay, so file has been written, and now we are going to perform the reading operation. So reading operation, we will do the same. File open, and then my file name is my b file dot date. Okay, then after that read binary mode, then I will read it. Suppose that my converted data is data str, because I have to typecast into string mode also. I am just string data type. So here file dot read method, and then after that print data, and then file close. So run it, and now you can see hello user has come. So let's see where this file has been created. As I teach you, the relative method will create the file in a relative path only. So my file name is my b file. So come to here, my b file dot dat. Okay, so right click it, open it, and then it will ask you which one application you want to open it for. So we have to select Notepad without using default mode. So hello user has come. Okay, so now we are going to write another file. Okay, and the same file we are writing, but in the instead of string I will write a data like mlist. Okay, mlist consider 1 2 3 4. List has been closed. Okay, so here I have written there mlist. So now I have to just byte array within that mlist. Data has been written, and now I will typecast in list. Okay, so let's see the example again. I have just created the file with write binary mode, and I created the list, and then after that I have typecast in byte array mode, and then after that I have written the data, and I have opened the read binary mode, and then I have read data and typecast into list, and data will be stored into data variable and printed. So let's see. So now you can see that we can access it through directly also. And today we have learned how to read the binary file, how to write the binary file, and question and practice for the homework. So you have to write a program in Python program for the day, whatever we have done today. Okay, and write a program to get roll number, name and marks, okay, of the class from the user, and store into the file name as recorded date, but in binary mode. We have done it in text mode also, but today you have to do it binary mode, and write a program to read the record.date in binary mode also. Okay, and whatever you will do the program, send it to my Gmail ID also. Thank you and have a nice day for the day.